Yes, you finally did it. You're gonna go on that backpacking trip. And you're so excited, but you don't know what you're going to pack or what you're going to need or anything like that. It's okay, I got your back, and I have 12 tips on what you should bring after this. Hi everyone, my name is Marauding Megs, and today I'm going to give you 12 tips on what you should be packing when you go on a backpacking trip. Now, when I went to Southeast Asia and went backpacking through there, I had to pack smart because everything that I put in this backpack, I had to carry with me everywhere, and that included over long distances. All right, it became my baby. Do you remember that movie called Hotel Transylvania? Do you remember a character called Jonathan or Johnny Stein? And do you remember how stupidly attached he was to his backpack? You too will develop this type of bond. So I did leave my bag at a hostel, but the time and the distance between when you start your adventure to getting to your destination can be really long. And plus, weather is a factor. Having it hot, humid, or even rainy can cause such a problem, and it's just annoying. So you just want to make sure you're packing smart and not carrying unnecessarily heavy backpack, which will save you time and grief. Tip number 1, get it out of your system. We all have clothing that we think we must bring. So just pile all the clothes that you think you need and just get it out of your system. Tip number 2, lay it all out there. You should put your clothing in piles what you're going to be wearing each day. So for example, t-shirts, shorts, underwear, bra for women, and that you know that you have your clothing for each day. You can set it up for 5 to 7 days just so you know you have at least a week's worth of clothing. So tip number 3, cut it out. Yep, you most likely don't need all those clothes or those shoes that you've packed up, especially those dressy shoes, that third sweater, or that hair straightener. You're not gonna need it. Number 4, reevaluate. What are you going to be doing each day? What's the weather like? Is it hot, humid, rainy, cold? Are you going to be taking hikes? Are you going to go through temples or ruins? It's something to really consider when you're packing. Number 5, dry run. Try packing everything. See if it fits. If you're having trouble packing your clothes, you may need to reevaluate your clothing choices again, or you just need a bigger backpack. Number 6, choose your proper backpack. So make sure, especially ladies, make sure you get a backpack that is good for your height and your weight and also durable. You got to pick the proper backpack for your trip, or else you're going to have a problem because you're going to be dragging this everywhere you go. So it's really important that you're comfortable with it and that you can lift it and you can put it on your back and go anywhere that you need to go. Number 7, packing essentials. So we got your medicine, we've got your shower kits, your dental, your first aid, and then makeup. Now, I highly recommend that you have separate bags for each of these categories because you really don't need to bring in your medicine and your first aid kit with you when you go and take a shower. It's just easy to grab when you need to go to the washroom or do something that you need to get done. Now, I will say, on a side note, for the makeup, I didn't bring a lot with me because one, it was hot and humid and my makeup would just melt off my face. The second reason, it was because I was really on the move all the time, so there was no time to get my face done. And honestly, I just brought eyeliner and eyeshadow and I didn't even use it that much, so take that advice as you will. Number 8, other essentials. Ladies, we have to deal with that dreaded time of the month. That's right, periods. So that means pads, tampons, or a menstrual cup. So whatever weapon you decide to use to battle this time of the month, you need to pack enough to cover the entire trip. Now, some countries don't carry pads or tampons for sale, so that's something to consider. Personally, I ditched the pads and tampons for a menstrual cup, and it changed my world. If you want to hear more about this, I have a video on that, and there's a link for it up here. Number 9, purse or day bag, or both. Just to hold your wallet, maps, cell phone. That is, if you have a cell phone. My Korean cell phone would not work outside Korea. Imagine that. So these are really helpful when you want to do day stuff and you don't have to lug around this one. Okay, number 10, rain shield covers. Because your stuff is going to get wet and you are going to get caught in the rain at least once. And if this can cooperate with me, there we go. Okay, so these rain covers are pretty nifty. They cover your whole bag. Make sure you get one for your day bag and for your backpack ones because you don't want wet stuff because you will get caught in the rain at least once. Number 11, duct tape. Because you never know when you're gonna need it. For example, if a friend's backpack just busts open, you gotta use it and wrap it up and hopefully it stays secure. Or if you have a major gash wound and you can't find your first aid kit, duct tape. And finally, number 12, a laundry bag of any kind. To help separate your dirty, nasty clothes from your clean clothes. And it's easier to do laundry or drop it off to a laundry service, whatever you happen to do. Just makes life easier. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!